Artificial intelligence has been with us for quite a long time with deep learning and artificial intelligence and large mathematical models. The computing power has gotten better and better and better. And then recently as this year, I suppose the generative AI or Gen AI has really brought it to the forefront of the public. So it means that now you can interact with artificial intelligence and get it to generate a response. And what that's really allowed the industry to do is it's sort of freed the industry in order to, I suppose, invest and continue to invest. What's really happening now is the acceleration of that investment. A traditional pharma company would be able to synthesize, as in make, about 1,000 molecules a year. Whereas with artificial intelligence, we can now analyze 50 billion molecules a year. And just to put that in perspective, if you were to count to 1,000, it would take about 15 minutes. And if you were to count non-stop to 50 billion, it would take 1,500 years. So if we were looking at what's happening in artificial intelligence now in the industry, we would take the full life cycle. So the full life cycle is discovery, development, launch, manufacturing, commercial, and then your interaction with your partners. And now we're able to, with artificial intelligence, enhance that bi-directional communication across these multiple channels or omni-channel for commercial. So that's really allowing the healthcare professionals to stay on top of what's really happening in the industry, which is changing very quickly. The game-changing nature is that what it's allowing us to do is it's allowing us to go from promising lead and hits to drug-like properties in medicine, to be able to say, okay, we have all these promising molecules, but these will be efficacious in humans. And that's pushing a huge pipeline of molecules towards manufacturing and commercial. It's reducing the cost of the development of molecules. It's increasing the success rate because you early identify things that are a problem. It increases the speed with which you can launch it, and it also allows you to communicate with the healthcare professionals and the patients about the efficacy of the medicine. So every single aspect, right from early discovery through to launch and through to manufacturing commercial, are completely changing.